the moon. I is for insect, tiny and small. J is for juice, the best of all. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for leaf, floating from the sky. M is for mouse, squeaky and quick. N is for night, calm and thick. O is for octopus, waving its arms. P is for panda, full of charm. Q is for quack, the duck's little sound. R is for rocket, shooting off the ground. S is for star, twinkling so bright. T is for tree, a wonderful sight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, strings that fly. W is for red,